Hey Divine Dolls, I am back with another video for you today, and it will be about eyeshadow. I will be unboxing one of my favorite lines that I've always wanted to purchase, and I'm very sure that I will not be let down. But before we get into this video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel as well. All right, let's get into it. I know a lot of you have seen this brand everywhere. Look at how beautiful the packaging is. Wow. So gorgeous. There were so many colors that I saw at the Ulta Beauty, and I just could not decide on which one I wanted to do. But this one here, absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. Those colors are so popping. Oh my gosh. So cute, so cute, so cute, so cute, so cute. So if you are a fan of makeup like I am, you definitely should try this palette if you haven't already. You guys, I love makeup. I used to do it all the time, but I've been slacking. I have been slacking because who wants to do makeup all the time? I used to, but I stopped. I was like, I need to let my skin breathe, honey. But let's get into a look. I'm gonna do a look for you today. Everyday look with some pop to it. Before, you always have to put primer on. So I will be putting on a primer today. So that allows your makeup to last all day. And of course you want like more of an airbrush look, smooth, because I found out the difference. I used to like be in a rush doing my makeup. I'm like, I don't feel like doing all the steps. It's so many steps. But like, I know you guys watch the YouTube channels and you're like, oh my God, how many layers is it gonna take? But I'm more of a laid back girl. I don't need all the black radiance. I don't put a whole lot on my face though, I really don't. But put on just enough to do a coverage over your entire face. Put a little bit more on. And then, okay. So I also use my, the lid just fell off of this foundation. I love this foundation. It's called the LA Girl Pro Coverage. It is an amazing, affordable foundation that you can get from your beauty supply, Amazon, or like your local drugstore. I know I have oily skin, so I don't like to put a lot of foundation on my face. Just enough. Make sure you cover all the spots as you can. So since I'm going to be using the eyeshadow and I want my eyeshadow to pop a little bit, I put the LA concealer on my eyelids. Just like that. This allows the colors to peek through more. I like to make sure my foundation is blended in nice and smooth. because you do not want to have that all uneven, because honey, that is not cute. And again, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just doing what I do, okay? So of course I work on my eyebrows. So I then take the concealer and go underneath my eyebrows after I fill them in. I do more of a natural look. I don't like all that extra stuff. I don't know. It's not my forte. But whenever you put the concealer on there, it defines the brow a lot better. And of course you blend it in. I don't prefer to do my lining on top. I just do it underneath and I just blend it out. Brows and lashes like make the whole look come together, in my opinion. Looks so much better. Because sometimes I would do my brows and I'd be like, that is not gonna work today. So I'll take them all the way off after doing them. So I did my eyebrows as simple as I could do it. And again, I am not a makeup artist. This look is for beginners and people that are just trying it out. So I don't know which color I'm going to go for. So before I apply my lashes, I like to put mascara on first. It's just a quick tip that I learned how to apply them nice and easy. So I'm brushing off the translucent powder after baking. And of course the brushes that I'm using are the morphine brushes. I like it. I like it. It's looking real cute. I'm going to finish my look off with some NYX finishing spray. So this allows your makeup to settle in and you get that finished look that you're looking for. So this is my finished look. I really like the finished look. It's very, very gorgeous. And you can do this look as well. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more looks like this, definitely send me an email or leave a comment below if you want different looks. But I feel like this is a very simple look, and it's very gorgeous. And again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.